In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sound effects to your video on CapCut PC app. If you want your text animations, transitions, and on-screen movements to feel sharper, smoother, and more engaging, adding the right sound effect can make a huge difference. The good news is that CapCut on PC already includes a large built-in library of professional, royalty-free sound effects, so you can find what you need without leaving the app. To begin, move your mouse to the top left area of the interface and click on the Audio tab. This opens the Audio workspace. Once you're there, look over to the directory column on the left side and click on Sound Effects. That will take you directly into CapCut's sound effect library, where all of those built-in audio cues are organized and ready to use. Now let's narrow down the exact type of sound you want. Go to the search bar at the top and type in a keyword that matches the style of effect you're looking for, something like whoosh or click, then press Enter. CapCut will show you a grid of matching sound files below. This makes it much faster to find a sound that fits the motion or animation in your video. To listen before adding anything, click the small play arrow on any sound card to preview it. Once you find the one that works best, click the blue plus icon on that card. CapCut will immediately place it onto your timeline as a small blue audio block, directly underneath your video tracks. The next part is all about timing. Click and hold that blue audio block on the timeline, then drag it left or right until the peak of the sound lines up with the exact moment your on-screen element moves. This is especially useful for things like pop-up text, transitions, button animations, or any movement that needs a crisp audio accent. A well-timed effect makes the edit feel much more polished. After that, make sure the sound isn't overpowering your main audio. Go to the top right Properties panel, open the Audio tab, and stay inside the Basics section. There you'll see the volume slider. Drag it slightly to the left and set it to around -10 decibels. That level usually works well because it keeps the sound effect subtle, clean, and supportive instead of distracting. And that's it. You've opened the Audio section, searched the sound effects library, added your chosen sound to the timeline, synced it with your visual movement, and adjusted the volume for a balanced result. With just a few quick moves, your video will instantly feel more dynamic and professional. Done.